Colors and materials within Grease Pencil are really quite confusing, and there's actually two techniques to coloring in your drawings. And one of those techniques is so much easier than the others to understand and use. But it does come with some slight drawbacks. So I've got my ink pen brush just here, and you can see that just at the top here, and we've got a solid stroke material. That means that if I go to my material panel down here and choose the solid stroke up the top here, that I can easily change anything with the ink pen using the solid stroke. So you can see the stroke here. At the moment, it's got a base color of black. I can change that, and it changes everything that has used that texture, the solid stroke texture up there. So I'll turn that back to black. This way of texturing means that I need to use a different texture if I want a different color on my object. So for example, the solid fill just here, which has the fill brush ticked instead. Let's change that to a just slightly off-white for the skull color. And then I can go around and fill in my skull with that base color. And again, the advantage to this is, because it's a separate material, I can easily think, that's a little bit dark, let's brighten it up a touch. Or I want it slightly more orangey, yellowy color like this. That's really useful. It's different from a traditional drawing program where you just pick your colors, paint them, you might put them on a different layer, then you might adapt that layer. But it is quite nice to have the adaptability of these colors if you want to change them. It's like magic markers. Whichever marker you used, you can change it at any time and it will change wherever that marker's been. Now the other way, if I undo those changes and go back to my solid stroke. Incidentally, under the layers, you'll notice I've got two layers, the lines and then the fills that go underneath. And I'm on the fill layers at the moment. But notice I've got the solid stroke selected here. So at the moment, that's black. However, I'll undo that and I'll change it to this button just next to it here. So you can see there's node and material just there. Next to it, we've got color attributes. If I change to that and start drawing, you can see it comes out green, and I can change the color here to something like that skull color that might be somewhere around there. And notice now I've got two different colors on my canvas. When I changed this color, it didn't change the previous stroke that I'd made, or these strokes over here. So I can now, if I undo those, change the size of my brush with F, fill in this shape with this color. And anytime I want to change this, I can go up to the top. Let's say I want to make it a little bit darker, a bit more saturated for the shadows, and come in and do some shadow areas, and then maybe some highlights. And it's acting much more like a traditional drawing program, such as Photoshop or something along those lines. One handy tip with this is that you can press Shift X to sample the color. You can see it change up there when I hover over a color. Shift X will sample the color, and I can keep painting with that color if I want to. So Shift X to sample a color to make it much faster to jump between colors. Of course, the problem with this is that I can't now change those colors once they're on there like I could with the material option here. If I try and change the material now, you can see the stroke is set to black and it's unable to change those extra color attributes. It will change my stroke, which was originally black, but those other color attributes aren't changing. So you lose the adaptability of the materials, but you can draw a lot quicker when you're using the attribute option just here. So those are the two different coloring techniques within Blender's Grease Pencil. Hopefully you found that helpful. Any questions, then comment below. If you like the style of teaching, then do check out the links in the description for more great content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.